What if you have very dark gums? What can you do about it? We can always use depigmentation of gums. Does it come back? Yes, it might come back if you use very harsh, hot things, whether it is chilies or whether it is very hot drinks. But what is the good thing about depigmentation? Depigmentation is the removal of melanin cells or the coated skin cells. We can remove it using laser or using scalpel. We remove it and we'll try to prevent it from recurring. How can you prevent recurring? Reduce your very hot things for at least for 6 to 7 months. You please avoid that. If you avoid that, it will reduce it. So melanin pigmentation can be removed, and it is also done in conjunction with gingival recontouring, wherein the amount of visibility of gums is also reduced. So try doing that. Now another major issues people face is the wisdom tooth, which comes in different places. It may not come up only. So even if that is there, surgical removal of wisdom teeth can be done in the office itself. You don't need to undergo anesthetics. You may not need any other thing. It can be done under local anesthetics very effectively. Although it is a large time taking procedure, it can be reduced by reducing the size of the teeth and reducing the exposure of bone. We can make it much simpler and much easier for the patient and also for the doctor. How is it done? The teeth which has to be removed, the wisdom tooth which is malpositioned, has to be made smaller into small pieces using high speed turbines. Once it is done, the small space which the tooth is seen, we will take it through the area itself, so that no bone is cut. It might require to expand the bone, but we don't need to cut the bone and take the tooth out. So we always try to make the tooth which has to be removed into small pieces and take it out through the smallest gap which can be made, so that your post-operative time is much painless and without much of swelling. So try doing the wisdom tooth extractions at our clinic, so that you will have much better experience of removal of wisdom teeth. We don't do it under general anesthetics, nor we also don't do it under any of the anesthetic effect. You can be confident that you will not have pain, and you can see all the procedures during and after the treatment. So make all your surgical appointments much simpler and less of pain and anxiety, because we don't use any general anesthetics.